Welcome to the Cisco 8711-32FH-M router cable management bracket installation video. Today, we'll guide you through installing the cable management bracket on this router. Before starting, ensure the chassis is securely mounted on the rack. Ensure the cable management kit includes the cable management bracket and M5 1224 screw. You'll need the cable management bracket included with the chassis and a screwdriver with torque capability. This bracket is specifically designed for fiber optics cables. Align the cable management bracket with the left side of the chassis. Secure the bracket by tightening the M5 1224 screws to a torque of 27.88 inch-pounds, or 3.1 Newton meters. Remember, the right side is reserved for the ground lug installation. Connect the first few cables, such as the cable for the GNSS port, mini coaxial connector cables for 1 pps and 10 pps, and the RJ45 cables in their respective ports. Once done, guide them through the bracket for a neat setup. Hold the transceiver by the pull tab so that the identifier label is on the top. Align the transceiver with the transceiver socket on the router, and carefully slide the transceiver into the socket until the transceiver makes contact with the socket's electrical connector. Begin the cable connection process by carefully attaching the optical cables to the transceiver module, ensuring that each connection is secure and properly aligned. Once the cables are plugged in, take the time to neatly arrange and guide them through the cable management bracket, ensuring that they are organized in a tidy manner. This approach maintains the integrity of the connections and ensures efficient cable organization within the system. Finally, observe the router with all cables neatly arranged and secured using cable ties, showcasing a tidy and professional finish. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or contact support.